Welcome to the Send Messages tutorial video. In this video, we're going to go over how to send a message to your subscribers. To walk you through this, let's send a basic one-time message to a distribution list. Go to the top navigation bar and click where it says Send Messages. In the first field, type in a description for your messaging campaign. This is just for your information to remind you the purpose of this particular campaign. Your customers will not see this. Next, for Send Message Via, you have two options, Normal Blast and Smart Blast. Normal Blast will send your message straight to the channels you select, like text message, IM, email, and so on. Smart Blast, on the other hand, will send your message to each channel you select until your recipient responds. You can send your message just one time or have a message be sent automatically after a specific number of days after a contact signs up. You can also have the message be sent every couple days, months, or even years. Again, we're just going over the basic route, so select one-time message to distribution list. Now, under Send Time, we get the option of sending the message now or at a later time. Let's go ahead and choose Send Now. Everything should be good to go, so click on Compose Message. On the next screen is where you get to compose your actual message. In the top section called Mobile Text Message, there is a row of icons that enables various features. The first feature, Shorten URL, allows you to input a URL address, like your organization's website, which you would like to link to in your text message. The next icon, Data Merge, lets you automatically personalize each text message by inserting your recipient's contact data, like first name, last name, or both. The third icon, which looks like a merchandise tag, allows you to insert either a text coupon code or barcode coupon. This will be explained in another upcoming tutorial video. The next icon, which looks like two overlapping boxes, is the Image Library feature. By enabling this, your text message becomes an MMS, which allows you to insert full-color images, and the character limit is extended from 160 to 500. The empty box at the end allows you to change the header for your text message. By default, it will be the name of your organization, but you can customize it here just for this message. In the big white space, you'll see that organization name. After it, you can start composing your text message. In this same messaging campaign, we'll also be sending an instant messenger message via MSN Live and AOL. With IM, you get some of the same enhanced features as text message, except for coupon codes and the ability to change the organization name, as there is none. If you recall, the third channel we'll be sending our message through is email. The first thing you need to set for your email message is the subject line, which will be the title of your email message. Next, you get to customize your email message visually through the Graphical HTML Version Editor. The Graphical HTML Version Editor gives you a range of options to make your email look just the way you want it. You can also insert URLs and images. If you would rather save the time and hassle of designing your email, we have hundreds of professionally created templates for all kinds of occasions. While the Graphical HTML Version Editor can make your message look great, the alternate text version editor gives you some of the same practical features we went over already, like Shorten URL, Data Merge, and Coupon. Another great option is the ability to attach whatever kinds of files you want, like PDFs or docs, to your email message. Now that we're done composing the message or messages, we have a couple more housekeeping things to take care of. Every email needs to show where the email came from, and if the recipient wants to, a way to respond. So fill in the two appropriate fields in the email message addresses section with that information. Next, you can include a link to one of your pre-existing online sign-up pages. if you would like to provide an easy way for your recipients to provide you with other contact information, like phone number and so on. Finally, with email format, decide if you want to send out both HTML and plain text versions of your email, or just a plain text one. There are benefits for each option, which you can view by moving your mouse cursor over the information icon. If you want to double-check the message delivery settings you previously set, you can click Description and Modes. Otherwise, hit Save to save your message, or just move on to Spam Check and select Recipients. If you see this next screen, your message has passed our spam check, which verifies your email message for maximum deliverability. Now you will be deciding who your message will go out to. In the Select Recipients section, you will see a list of your distribution lists. Click on your desired distribution list or list, and then click the blue right arrow button, which will move those selected lists into the Selected Items list. If you change your mind, select the lists you want to remove from the message by clicking them in the Selected Items list, and then the blue left arrow button. With the Filter by Area Codes option, you can target your message to be restricted to specific area codes. Lastly, you can filter through the custom fields by clicking the Custom Recipients Filter checkbox and selecting the desired field labels in the drop-down menu. Now your message is really ready to go. Press the blue Preview and Send button to see a summary of your message delivery and costs, as well as what your messages will look like. If you're happy with everything, click the blue Send button, or you can go back, review, and reconfigure your settings by clicking the Select Recipients button or the large menu arrow buttons under the top navigation bar. Congratulations! You've just learned how to use the main tool of our messaging platform. Stay tuned for more tutorial videos to really take advantage of our powerful marketing tools.